3 months. That's it. Up to 90 days is the time limit for someone to play themselves to be someone they're not and try to make you believe in it too. What up, my beautiful people? Lulu here, Brooklyn, New York, with your Monday morning inspiration. And let me tell you, if you've been a victim of the 3 months program, I see you. You know, so many people they try to be who they're not. Some don't try, some just try to fool you. The problem is, psychologically, you cannot behave in a way that doesn't fit or align your beliefs for more than 3 months unless you actually did the healing. So don't commit to that relationship just yet, and don't sign that business deal just yet until people showed you that they really have made the change after 3 months. Many blessings.